If you've been in an accident where there's been a hit-and-run driver, you're going to have a lot of concerns. But one thing you shouldn't be concerned about is the fact that you have medical and wage loss coverage. If you have auto insurance coverage on your vehicle, or you're in a vehicle that has coverage, or you're just a passenger in a vehicle, in almost every case you're going to have no-fault insurance coverage. The only time you don't have no-fault insurance coverage is when you have a vehicle that's not insured. Otherwise, it's covered somewhere. And no-fault coverage is going to give you $20,000 of medical coverage and $20,000 of wage loss coverage and some other benefits. So that will be there regardless of whether it's a hit-and-run driver. Now, if it was a hit-and-run driver and you got out and talked to that person and then they took off, you could have a problem. If you talk to somebody who's in an accident with you, you need to get their insurance information. If you fail to get it, you cannot then make a claim later to your uninsured motorist coverage. So let's talk about that. You have uninsured motorist coverage on your vehicle. It's required in Minnesota, and you can go to that when an uninsured driver hits you. You can also go to that when a hit-and-run driver hits you because they're theoretically uninsured. So you have this uninsured coverage. It's a minimum of $25,000. It's made just for this circumstance where the phantom driver hits you and takes off. We call it a phantom driver, but it's a hit-and-run. Again, there's only one circumstance, I should say, that there's really one that it really occurs very often, and that is where you had a chance to get the insurance information from the hit-and-run driver and didn't do so. If you do that, you've lost the right to your uninsured motorist coverage. Otherwise, if you can't find the driver, if they took off right away, you can get insurance coverage under your own uninsured motorist coverage.